little thunderstorm. Actually, a little rainstorm. If you're anything like me, your ponytail slides down, it won't stay out here in a flattering spot. It slides down the back of your head. So I'm going to show you, I've had pretty good luck with this. My ponytail's been staying up high. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to part out the bangs, and then I'm going to tease this portion. And I'm going to use this product. It's Do-Over by Evan Murphy. I keep the tease down low. Spray it. Take the next section. Spray it. Take the next section. Okay, while that's drying, I'm going to find a little elastic. This also, not only keeps your ponytail anchored up higher, it also keeps it from pulling the back down flat. Okay. So I'm going to do like a half updo. Pull out the pieces that I want. Storm is very loud. It's rude. It's a rude storm. Okay. Get the pieces up that I want. Alright. And get this smoothed out. And put this in a ponytail. Then I'm going to pin this ponytail up out of the way. And I'm going to take the rest of it and put it in a ponytail. And I'm going to situate it right underneath the other ponytail. Get it situated right up underneath the other one. Like that. And then I'm going to take another pony elastic, this one's a little thicker, and put that one around the bigger pony. Like that. And then take this pony and flip it back. And then I'm going to check out make sure this isn't too tight. Make sure I have all the fullness that I want in here. Like that. Then I'm going to take these two ponytails, and then I'm going to use a scrunchie since scrunchies are trending again, and this is a Lululemon scrunchie. And I'm going to put those, you also can put an elastic around it and wrap a piece of hair around it. But this is the way I'm going to do it. And it's a very secure pony, and it doesn't flatten out your height that you've given it, because that's anchored in the first ponytail. So this is how I get my Perky pony. And if you like this makeup, tune in tomorrow to see how I created this purpley, smoky shadow look. Ta-ta!